standing on an open world. I've gotta try so hard for myself, not including the ones that I love. I call my family. It's not hard when you focus as a beautiful girl, a brand new baby. She's a baby girl, and yes, she is a cutie like her mommy. Yeah, she looks like her mommy. We both know who we are, and I'm not changing a thing. I've never changed before. If loving me is work, I'm not a job to take. I think we're heading for the crazy, making heartbreak. I'm wondering why I'm sitting here alone again. Why you always